to us, but let's also now welcome our technical expert, Sacchitanand Uttekar of Motilal Oswal Financial Services now joins in. Hi Sacchitanand, thanks very much for joining in. So we were just speaking to Varinder about the importance of the 8,000 mark. What's your intraday strategy on the Nifty now? Is it likely that there could be a break of 8,000 today or perhaps this week?
Well, as we have already conveyed, it is a very critical level, and we have already seen Nifty reversing from that level once. Even yesterday's momentum is something that is very much significant, and if you look at the entire daily structure and the pattern formation, it indicates that a morning star pattern is something which is very evident now, and the pattern would be negated only if Nifty breaches below 8,000. So probably this particular decline that we have seen right now, if we see a shift in momentum above say 8060, I think it will be a very good level where one can again play on the long side, keeping a stop of around 8020 on the lower side. Once we have a shift in place, the move can extend right up to 8120 for the day.
Okay, so 8060 is the important level that you're watching. Hi Sacchitanand, afternoon. Take us through your two buy calls for the day, HUL as well as Tata Motors.
Well, if you look at the entire structure of HUL, it has been it has fallen gradually, and the recent development of a piercing line pattern is exhibiting strength in the stock. So I think it's a very good idea to create long positions at this point of time, keeping the stop loss at 814 for a target of around 840 on the higher side. The other stock, which is Tata Motors, now if you look at the entire pattern, the stock is now quoting at an extreme. We have the RSI which has reversed from the oversold zone. So we expect this particular stock to have witness a strong bounce back from here, and thus can be participated with a stop loss at 425, and we expect a target of around 470 on the upside.
Sun Pharma has already lost about 14% this month. Do you think there could be still more downside here?
Well, if you look at the entire pharma space, it has been losing its steam, and we have already seen a sharp cut in Sun Pharma as well. The recent bounce back, in fact, provides a very good opportunity to again create fresh shorts. We expect the stock to head lower towards 800-790 levels, and thus it can be sold with a stop loss of around 855 at the current juncture.
Any disclosures?
I do not hold any of the stocks discussed. We have recommended them to our clients.
Thanks so much for joining in. Appreciate it.